Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome to my studio, showing you a 30 by 40 inch pearl painting. So just putting down some blue and green and some light blue, that's sky blue light by Amsterdam, and a turquoise and then a mineral blue that I had mixed up. Just experimenting, being playful. This was pretty spontaneous, this painting. I kind of had some paints laid out. This did not have a whole lot of planning, and sometimes it's really fun to go that route, not to think too much about it and just to use what you already have mixed up. And I really liked the end result of this painting. I'm gonna, continue to play, and it's been a kind of an inward time of year. It's winter here. It's trying to be winter. It's pretty warm, but it's definitely kind of a quieter, slower time of year, and yeah, more restful. It's been really nice. But I do have some really exciting events in the spring where I teach this technique, the pearl technique, along with my texture bloom technique, fluid abstract technique, all sorts of wonderful acrylic fluid art techniques that I'd love to share. And also sending art out into the world is a passion, so please know that there is art available on my website, original artwork and also prints. Right here I'm putting down some really warm colors to complement these cool colors. And it's a pretty playful painting. I hope you like it. Fluid Art Experience is one event that I'm always excited about. It's going to be really, really cool this year. We've got a trade show happening, some really new exciting faces and teachers that will be on site teaching, and really pleased to be teaching alongside some of these amazing people. And I hope to see you this spring in person or over Zoom or on my Patreon community. All right, no more selling. Much love. I hope you find this inspiring. And if you have any questions, comments, I'd love to hear from you. Connecting through art is always magical. So, all right, take great care and stay till the end. I'll show you the dried results. Much love. I don't even know what I want no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again. 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 In my dreams we always fight, 'cause we never worked it out. It just kinda slipped through our hands. And I never really said that you hurt me, no, instead I just try to understand. It was so exhausting, so I lost it, had to make it stop. Didn't really feel like giving you the chance to make it up. You asked me what's the problem, to be honest, it was you. That's the truth. It really was such a bad plan, 'cause I really think you wanted me to stay. Everything you did, you finally pushed me away. Told everyone my secrets, though I begged for you to keep it to yourself. Thought that you could buy my love, but I don't want that at all. You know I don't care about that. It was so exhausting, so I lost it, had to make it stop. Didn't really feel like
what a messed up time it was. Figured out how to leave and I'm glad, because now I know how it goes. Looking back, what a messed up time it was. Figured out how to leave and I'm glad, because now I know. It really was such a bad plan, 'cause I really think it would be to stay. Everything you needed finally pushed me away.